New e-learning classes managed by Modern English School, Nevada. Dear student, myself Sujay Kumar, your mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. A student, in previous two video, I solved how you can find out the value of x and y of linear equation of two variable of simultaneous equation with the help of the graph. In first video, I discussed what is the condition of the graph and what are the linear equation. In second video, I solved 2 or 3 questions how you can solve the graph and how you can find the value of x and y with the help of graph. Now today's third video of this lesson, so I solved 2 or 3 questions how you can find the value of x and y and how you can find the area of triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis or y-axis. So dear students, see here carefully and try to solve by self that how you can draw the graph and how you can find the value of x and y. It is not possible for me that I can solve one-on-one questions of your exercise. There are so many number of questions in exercise and examples. So I give only some tips how you can solve, and at your home you try to solve one by one questions. If number of question is 20, then minimum you solve 10 questions from the exercise. So dear student, now see here. Now see question number 5, that is, it is the equation 3x plus 2y equal to 12 and 5x minus 2y equal to 4, and you have to find the value of x and y of this simultaneous equation of two variables with the help of the graphical methods. So your question is solved by graphically. So first you draw two tables. Right? One table is this. This table you write here x and there y, a minimum 3 value. And second table is here, you write here x and y, here x and y, minimum 3 values. And in the first equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. Your question is, you always write the equation in the form of y. So you write here 2y is equal to 12 minus 3x. So what is the y? It is 12 minus 3x by 2. Dear student, here you write x is equal to 0. So what you get? 12 minus 3 into 0 by 2. Then 12 by 2, that is 6. So x is equal to 0, then by is equal to 6. Next question, now write y 12 minus 3 into x is equal to 2. Then here is 2. So it is 12 minus 6 by 2. That is 6 by 2. Here is 3. So you write 2. Then here is 3. Now write x is equal to 4. Then you write here 12 minus x is equal to 4 by 2. That is 12 minus 12 by 2. That is 0. So x is equal to 4. Then it is 0. And now solve next questions, that is 5x minus 2y is equal to 4. Here 2y is negative, so you write this question like 5x minus 4 is equal to 2y. Then what is y? Then y is equal to 5x minus 4 by 2. Here is y. Now take x is equal to 2. Then 5 into 2 minus 4 by 2. That is 10 minus 4 by 2. That is 6 by 2. Here is 3. So at the x is 2, then y is 3. Next questions, you can write x is 0, y 5 into 0 minus 4 by 2. What you get? It is minus 4 by 2. That is minus 2. Here is 0. Here is minus 2. Other questions, you can write x is equal to y 5, x is equal to minus 1, and it is minus 4 by 2. What you get here? You get minus 5 minus 4 by 2, then minus 9 by 2, that is minus 4.5. So when you write x is equal to minus 1, then it is minus 4.5. Dear friend, now you think that how you write the value 0 to 4, 2, 0, minus 1. By yourself, you can write any number 0 to 4, you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, no problem. Only your question is given in the point form. So write any number, then you can solve the graph. Never think that how we write here 0 to 4 and how we write here 2, 0, minus 1. So you free to put the value of x as you like it. And then with the help of the value of x, you can find the value of y. Now with help of these two tables, how you can draw the graph. So now see here. Now see, here we draw two lines. One is x dash, another is y dash. X dash is horizontal and y dash is vertical. I write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In graph, you take one big square is equal to 1 unit. Here is graph is not possible my board. So I take a step as usual. It is 1, then it is 2, it is 3, 4. Similarly, drawing graph at one big square is equal to 1 unit. Now, first draw with this equation. It is 0 and 6. X is 0 and y is 6. X is 0 is here and y is 6 is there. So first is this x is 0, y is 6. X is 2 by 3. X2 by 3 is here. And x is 4 by 0 is here. And with the help of the scale, you draw the graph and write the equation name. It is the first equation and it is the graph of first equations. And write the name of the equations here also. Next is x is 2, y is 3. X is 2, y is 3 here. X is 0, y is minus 2. X is 0, y is minus 2 here. And x is minus 1, y is minus 4.5. X is minus 1 and y is 4.5. Approx is there. So, with the help of the scale, you draw the other graph like I with the point of these three. Here join them. Then all three points lie on the same line. Here x and here y. Now your question, what is the solution of the graph? So, the coordinate of the intersection point is known as the solution of the graph. So, intersection point is here and coordinate of this is 2, 3. So, you can write x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. It is the solution of the graph. So, dear student, in the questions number 5 is only how you can find the value of x and y with the help of graph. Now see question number 11. Question is x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Your question is that you find the value of x and y with the help of graph. Hence, find the vertices of triangle formed by these two lines, these two equations and x-axis. And now find the area of triangle formed by these two lines of graph and x-axis. So dear student, your first work, how you can draw the graph. So in previous video, first you try to solve the graph, how you can solve the graph. So your first work, you draw the table. Table is here, x and y. Write here x and y, minimum 3 value. Similarly, other table, for second equation, you write here x and y and minimum 3 value. This equation is x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0 and this equation is 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. So, now you write here x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0 and second step you can write x plus 3 is equal to 1 because your question is find the value of x and y with graphically. Then your first work you write the equation in the form of the y. So I write y is equal to x plus 3. Now here put the value of x like if x is 1 then what y that is y is 4. That is y is 4. So you write x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 4. Next you write x is equal to minus 1 is equal to y. Then what is y? Then y is equal to 2. X is equal to minus 1, then y is equal to 2. Now write x is equal to 0. X plus 3 is equal to y. You write x is equal to 0 plus 3 is equal to y. Then what is the value of star? What is the value of y? That is 3 is equal to y. When you write x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 3. Similarly, second question is to find out the value of x and y, that is 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. So what is the value of 3y? It is equal to 4 minus 2x. Then y is equal to 4 minus 2x by 3. Dear student, when you write here y, here 4 minus x is equal to minus 1 by 3. Then what you get? You get here 4 plus 2 by 3, that is 6 by 3, that is 2. Then x is equal to minus 1, then y is equal to 2. Other questions, you write x is equal to 0. What you get? If we write y 4 minus 2 into 0 by 3, then you get y is equal to 4 by 3, that is 1.333, that is 1.3 approx. So we write x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 1.3. Third questions, you write here x is equal to 2, y 4 minus 2 into 2 by 3. So 4 minus 4 by 3, that is 0 by 3. When you write x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 0. So there are two equations, you find minimum 3 values, and now you draw the graph. On graph paper, you draw one line is horizontal, another line is vertical. You draw here the graph like here. It is y and y dash on graph paper, not plain paper, and here is x and x dash, both intersecting here perpendicular, that is origin, and also 0. Take a step, equal step, here is 1 step, 2 step, 3, 4, 5, here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, here is 1, 2, 3, 4, here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, here is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 also. This side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 2. Now first equation is this, that is x is equal to 1, y is equal to 4. X is equal to 1 is there and y is equal to 4 is there. Approx with the help of the graph, you find out both are intersecting here minimum. So draw the graph here, take a point. This is the coordinate of 1, 4. Next, minus 1, 2. Here is minus 1, here is 2. So your graph will be there. Here is x is minus 1 and 2 is here. X is 0 and y is 3. So here is x is 0 and y is 3. So 3 points always in a straight line. So you draw a line like here. Y with the help of a scale, draw this graph with the help of a scale and write their name x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. First graph is this. Second graph, x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 2. X is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 2 is here. Next, x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 3, 1.3. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 1.3, approx is there. And x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 0, that is there. So with the help of a scale, you draw another lines, intersects these two lines right here, and you write this is 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Both sides arrow sign here. Then two lines of graph we find with the help of the table. Now your question is, what is the solutions of the graph? So solution is here. Coordinate of this point is the solution of the graph, and coordinate of point is -1 and 2. So x is equal to -1 and y is equal to 2. First answer is this. It is the solution of the graph. Next questions. If a triangle is formed with these two lines and x-axis, so these two lines is here. One line is here, other line is there, and these two lines is A, B, C. So these two lines is A, B, C. So with the help of this triangle, we find their coordinates. So what is the coordinate of A? The coordinate of A is -1 and 2. First you write x coordinate, then y coordinate. Second B, here B is coordinate is -3 and 0, and here is C, the coordinate is 2 and 0. It is the vertices of the triangle, and the coordinate of the vertices of triangle is this. Now your question is, what is the area of this triangle? So dear student, it is the base of the triangle, and base is starting from 2 and here is -3. So total step is 5. Never write -3 plus 2 is -1. It is wrong. So we take here how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 unit is base. So base is equal to 5 unit, not plus minus, only right unit. And height is there. So height is equal to 2 units. So what is the area of triangle? 1/2 into base into height. Cancel. That is 5 square unit is the answer. That is area of triangle, and that triangle formed with the help of these two lines and x-axis. So this type questions from 11 to 15 we try to solve with the help of these questions. Now I solve question number 15. So dear student, from 1 to 15 you try to solve minimum 8 or 10 questions with the help of these questions, and remaining from 15 to 28 some question I solve in next video. So here you see question is that you first find the value of x and y by the graphically method, and hence find the vertices of triangle formed by these two lines and x-axis, and also find the area of triangle. Now you write here x minus 2y plus 2, that is x minus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. So what is the value of 2y? It is x plus 2. So y is equal to x plus 2y. First you draw a table and minimum 3 value find out with the help of the equation. Here is x and here is y. Here is 3 places. Now you write y, you write x is equal to 0. So what you get? 0 plus 2 by 2. Then what? So it is clear, it is 1. Next your question is, when you write x is equal to 2, what you write here? Y is equal to x plus 2 by 2. Now you write x is equal to 2, then 2 plus 2 by 2, that is 4 by 2, that is 2. So x is 2, then y is 2. Next you write x is equal to minus 2, then plus 2 by 2, that is 0. So we write x is equal to minus 2, then y is equal to 0. Other table draw, and from the next equation you again find the value of x and y. So here is x, y, and minimum 3 values. So your question is now x 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. Then y is equal to 6 minus 2x. So dear student, you write y is equal to 6 minus 2 into 2. Write the value x is equal to 2. Then what you get? You get 6 minus 4. That is 2. So x is equal to 2, then y is equal to also 2. Now your question is y is equal to 6 minus 2 into 3. I write x is equal to 3. Then it is 6 minus 6. That is 0. So when you write x is equal to 3, then it is y is equal to 0. Next, write what if y is equal to 0, then what you get? 6 minus 2x. So you write here minus 6 minus 2x, then here you write x is equal to minus 2x, then x is equal to 3. Then if I write x is equal to 3, then y is equal to 0. I write here. Next, x is equal to 0. What you get here? Then you write here 6 minus 2 into 0. Then y is equal to 6 in minus 0, that is 6. So you write x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 6. So dear student, x and y value take as the on the axis x and y. One time x is 0, another time y is 0. Then you draw the graph with the help of this diagram. Here you draw graph. First you take x-axis and y-axis. So x-axis is here. You write here x dash, and here you draw y-axis. Then you have y, and here y dash. Here is one part, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So you draw two axes, x dash and y dash. One is vertical and the other is horizontal. This side positive sign, here is negative, here is positive, there is negative. Now first solving x0, y1. Here is x0 and y is 1. Here is 0 and y is 1 is there. So first unit is here. X is 2, y is 2. x2, y is 2. Both are here. So take other point is there. And x is minus 2, y 0. X is minus 2, y is 0. And three lines always in the straight line. With the help of the scale, you draw this joint three line and produce it both sides. So it is the line of first equations. Similarly, next second equation, x is 2, y is 2. X is 2, y is 2. So it is common point. Next, x is 3, y is 0. X is 3, y is 0. And next, x is 0, y is 6. X is 0, y is 6. So your line will be like as draw these lines and produce it with the help of a scale. Now student, you find that both lines are intersected at this point. So what is the coordinate of this point? It is 2, 2. That means